Hello, today we're at 18 Hawkstall Drive. It's the 3-bedroom extended bungalow and it offers 3 bedrooms and a nice big lounge diner that leads on into a lovely conservatory overlooking the rear garden. You've got side gardens here, and you can see at the front here there's plenty of parking on the drive. The garage has been divided internally, the back part providing a utility room. Of course that can be changed and a car could be parked in there if required. In the meantime, watch the video, get in touch with Weber's Launceston and then book your own viewing.